How to fix oops something went wrong error on X. If any day any of you are an X user or the Twitter user and you face a problem like this on your X account or Twitter account and you are quite frustrated and do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, on the search icon on your mobile device, you have to search X or Twitter out there. After you search X or Twitter out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very X or the Twitter application, and after you tap on that, you have to go to the option of app information. After you tap on app information, now you can see the interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of notifications. After tapping on notification, you have to enable allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone and photos and videos. After that, you can go back again and then go to the next option, that is set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable, open the supported links, and then go back again and then go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, if you see any other cache out there, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and then go back again. And then go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, now you can see that it will take you to the Google Play Store. And if you see the option of update out there, you have to update the very application. And after you update the very application and until it reaches 100%, you have to wait for that, and if it reaches 100%, your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.